Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Multinational Company Jobs for Mechanical Engineers 11th June 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for early career professionals. Early career professionals means freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience holders. In this video, we are included 5 multinational company jobs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first one, Hewlett Packard Enterprises HPE, OCA configurator developer at Hewlett Packard Enterprise HPE Chennai. HPE is an American multinational enterprise information technology company. HPE was founded on 2015 and it is business focused organization with two divisions: Enterprise Group, which works in servers, storage, networking, consulting and support, and financial services. HPE was ranked number 107 in the 2018 Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporation by total revenue. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year experience. Job ID is 1083019. Job description: work consists of designing, developing, analysis, troubleshooting, and debugging systems, softwares, and solutions for research and or research development of product services and solutions for company portfolio. Requires a broad knowledge and application of engineering discipline method and tools. Job responsibilities: design portions of engineering solution utilizing multiple engineering disciplines for product, system, software, and solution based on established engineering principles and in accordance with provided specifications and requirements. Implements established test plans for existing designs, including validation of mechanical, electrical, software, and other engineering specifications and requirements. Develops understanding of and relationship with internal and outsourced development partners on engineering design and development. Participates as a member of project team of other engineers and internal and outsourced development partners to develop reliable, cost effective, etc. Role is OCA configurator developer. Industry type is IT. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through their website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Halliburton Bangalore. Smart Apps Global Research and Development Engineer at Halliburton Bangalore. Halliburton Company is an American multinational corporation, one of the world's largest oil field service company. It has operations in more than 70 countries. It owns hundreds of subsidiaries, affiliates, branches, brands, and divisions worldwide and employs approximately 55,000 people. The company has dual headquarters located in Houston and Dubai, but it remains incorporated in the US. Halliburton's major business segment is the Energy Services Group. It offers a broad array of products and services to upstream oil and gas customers worldwide through 14 product service lines. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 plus years of experience. Job ID is 93217. Key responsibilities or accountabilities: develop smart application for the edge platform around well construction. Leverage real-time low latency data for system identification and calibration as well as for the detection of diffusion and specific events. Provide scientific judgments on developing fit for purpose models combining theoretical principles and empirical trends. Collaborate with the stakeholders, product owners, software team, data science team to deliver applications that add value for our internal and external customers. Keep up to date with the latest technical advancement in relevant fields, etc. Qualification: skills acquired through the completion of the master's degree and 2 years of related experience or PhD in a quantitative field. Mechanical or aerospace engineering preferred. Familiarity with the well construction process is a plus. Strong knowledge and experience in system identification, optimization, and estimation techniques for complex system. Demonstrated experience in translating phenomena into first principle mathematical models. Experience writing code in Python, R, and Spark R+. Total years of experience 0 plus. Hiring at all levels. Role is R&D engineer. Function area is oil field service company. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates can also apply for 2 entry-level opportunities in Halliburton by using the links as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Caterpillar International Corporation, Tamil Nadu. Manufacturing Engineer 1 at Caterpillar International Corporation, Tiruvallur, Tamil Nadu. Caterpillar International Corporation, often shortened to CAT, is an American Fortune 100 corporation that designs, develops, engineers, manufactures, markets, and sells machinery, engines, financial products, and insurance to customers via worldwide dealer network. It is the world's largest construction equipment manufacturer. Caterpillar has been manufacturing machines, engines, and generators in India as well. Caterpillar has 3 facilities in India, which are in Tamil Nadu, Tiruvallur and Hosur, and Maharashtra at Aurangabad. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Job ID is R30411. Job purpose: to assist technical services management by performing technical analysis of manufacturing process, system, heat treat, NC programming, cellular manufacturing, etc. to permit effective management decisions. Job duties: staff assignment that independently or a part of team is involved in the maintenance and improvement of process and system used in the manufacture of product. Troubleshoots day-to-day process problem, initiates solution, and follows up to evaluate effectiveness of changes to ensure practical cleaning, salvage, machining, fabrication, etc. Designs or directs the acquisition, design, fabrication, and repair of all necessary tooling and machines. Analyze engineering change notice, determines any part of process change, initiates and implements all change. Role is manufacturing engineer. Function areas construction equipment manufacturer. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 11th June 2021. That means today is the last date for application. Next is General Electric, Vadodara, Gujarat. Engineer mechanical component at GE Renewable Energy, Vadodara, Gujarat. GE Renewable Energy is a division of General Electric headquartered in Paris, France, focusing on production of energy from renewable sources. Its portfolio of products includes wind, onshore and offshore, hydroelectric and solar power generation solutions. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or early career professionals. Job ID is R3566273. Job description summary: activities contributing to the design and development of products, solutions and systems include activities linked to technical improvement of existing products and components, accountable for the quality of own work. Roles and responsibilities: execute the design, analysis or evaluation of assigned project using sound engineering principles and adhering to business standards, practices and product or program requirement. This work would include mechanical and or electrical engineering for all products. Developing conceptual knowledge of professional discipline may include support roles with a specialized expertise or technical knowledge in broad area. Applies general knowledge of business developed through education or past experience. Understand how work of own team contributes to the area. Required qualifications: this role requires basic experience in the engineering and technology mechanical component. Knowledge level is comparable to a bachelor's degree from an accredited university or college. Design characteristics: strong oral and written communication, ability to document, plan, market and execute programs, etc. Role is engineer, mechanical component. Category is G renewable energy. Function areas renewable energy, onshore wind, global function. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Eaton Corporation PLC, Pune. Engineer Design Automation at Eaton Corporation, Pune. Eaton Corporation PLC is an American-Irish domiciled multinational power management company. Eaton has approximately 92,000 employees and sells products to customers in more than 175 countries. Our energy efficient products and services helps our customers effectively manage electrical, hydraulic and mechanical power more reliable, efficiently, safely and sustainably by giving people tools to use power more efficiently, helping companies do business more sustainably. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 2 years of experience. Requisition ID 098661. Job summary: designs and develops automation tools for CAD, CAE applications and provides customized solution for Power BI and SharePoint. This role will help responsibility of detailed analysis, design releases, resolving stakeholders' issue by applying domain skills as appropriate, maintains close liaison with global operations during development and verification phase to ensure smooth execution, new product introductions, conformance to product specification and year-over-year cost outs, ensures internal and external customers' requirements are understood correctly and met on time. Job description: develop customized solution for CAD softwares, CREO, SolidWorks, CATIA, AutoCAD, etc. Develops customized solution for CAE software customization, ANSYS, Abacus, Mazda, etc. Develops customized solution for Power BI, SharePoint, etc. Executive project using Bitbucket, Jira or similar. Manages project portfolio through requirement gathering, development, deployment and application support. Creates application training material and conducts in-person training. Fosters innovation and creates IP while working on new product development, wave and problem solving projects, etc. Qualification: education BTech or MTech in mechanical engineering, CS or IT. Experience 1 to 3 years of experience in design, automation of CAD, CAE softwares and general application. Technical knowledge: language experience, core Java, C++, C, additional Python, JavaScript, SQL. Soft skill: excellent English communication, oral and written, and presentation skill. Team player with a highly effective interpersonal and collaboration skill. Innovative aptitude, offer creative solutions for technical problems, etc. Role is engineer, design, automation. Function area is power management company. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.